Today we got the HiCOZY vacuum sealer SJ2030. I'm excited about this and I wanted to share it with you. You can see it comes with the small bags. Comes with the 8-inch bag. Also a roll, and it does come with some more bags. All of these appear to be 8 inches too. They're just pre-sealed bags. And it comes with the unit. Quality seems pretty nice, seems pretty heavy. I don't see a cord yet. Found it. Here's the cord, and here's what I found interesting. They don't talk about this too much on the listing, but this is an accessory. And if you have had another brand of these, you might have some accessories. I got a couple for you to see. This is a vacuum seal container that I got at a yard sale, and a mason jar sealer. You all know how much I love my mason jar sealers. But this has a number of settings on here that you can test. Vacuum and seal. If it's moist, that means it's gonna get hotter or stay longer on the seal. If it's dry, it's gonna just go its regular time. Stronger soft pressure, and the seal time plus or minus. So you get a lot of controls that you don't normally get. Live happy, live cozy. And then it does come with a fairly thorough book. I do like this. I just saw it. This comes out and you can rinse it in the sink just in case you get any fluids up in here. It does have a cutter for the bags. The bags go in here, they're stored away, and that's really interesting. I got to talk about that. So you have the bags in here, you pull the bag out, you cut the bag off, you fill the stuff up, you fill the bag up, and then you put the sealed bag right here. So if you get the tube, you have to create this seal first by closing that and hitting seal, and then put your product in here, and then hit vacuum and seal the next time. You might notice that I keep lifting up the whole thing, but they really are proud of the fact that this is magnetized, so that it's already holding the bag. I wonder if this will even. It's already holding the bag closed, and it hasn't even started vacuum sealing yet. I find that unique and interesting. So let's do a vacuum seal. So she just went to the store and got some hamburger. We're gonna have tacos tomorrow, but the meat expires in a couple of days. Today's the 8th, actually tomorrow's. Plug goes in the side right here. Now, one thing you want to make sure when you're vacuum sealing is that you give yourself a little space right here, and you make sure this is completely dry. All right, so we have our product. We got this plugged in. We gotta give ourselves some room to put it here. Turn the power on. We're gonna go vac seal moist, just regular pressure. Like I said, that's got a magnet, so the edge of the bag over the trough, so to speak. This is where it's gonna seal, so you want it over the trough, so if it does suck some moisture, it falls straight down. Close this up, hit moist. And there you go. It's all sealed up. Okay, I want to show you what they don't talk about too much in the listing is this accessory port. There's a place on the side there that allows you to, this is cracked, I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll try. Power on, canister. So instead of, this is all sealed up, it won't do the, it worked. I don't know if you heard that or not, but that was pretty darn quick. Okay, so I love these mason jar sealers, and this is a Food Saver brand. I will put a link with the other link below. This is what I love it for. Dried spices, this is peppercorns, to keep them fresh longer. I take all the air out of them so they don't oxidize or lose their flavor as fast anyway. And I do this with all kinds of dried herbs. It's not canning, so you can't, put beans in there, vacuum seal it and think it's shelf stable. It's not. The way it works is you make sure this is very clean, and this should be relatively new. You put what you want in here, and then you put this guy on there like that. Turn this on, put it on canister strong. I don't know if that worked or not. You see, we use this one for white pepper at one point. Almost worked. Oh, it worked. There you go. So this feature works very well. If you listen, that had a seal in there. So I'm really happy with this. I really am. For the price point, I think you'll be very happy with it too. This is one of the components in the sous vide method that I like to use for cooking, and that's where you vacuum seal like this. If this was a steak, you put this in water, circulate it in bath anyway. This is the sous vide part, or under pressure part of the equation, and you don't need it, but it's kind of handy, and this one's fairly affordable. I think you'll like it. I do. So anyway, thank you for watching.